Potential risks of using Vaseline during sex.
Hello, viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a common household product, Vaseline. Specifically, we'll be discussing the potential risks associated with its use during intimacy. It's crucial to understand how products impact our health and safety, especially when used in sensitive areas.
What is Vaseline?
Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, is a semi-solid mixture of hydrocarbons, having a melting point usually ranging from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, 77 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It's used widely in skincare and as a barrier ointment. It's greasy, clear, and odorless.
Why do some people use it during sex?
Many people turn to Vaseline for its lubricating properties. Given its thick consistency and the smooth feel it offers, some individuals might consider it an alternative to traditional lubricants when engaging in intimate activities.
What are the potential risks?
1. Not safe for latex condoms. One of the most significant risks of using Vaseline during sex is that it can weaken latex condoms, making them more susceptible to breakage. This compromises the efficacy of the condom, potentially leading to unintended pregnancies or the transmission of STIs. 2. Risk of infections. Vaseline is occlusive, meaning it forms a barrier on the skin. This can trap bacteria or yeast, potentially leading to infections, especially in the vaginal environment where a balance of bacteria is essential for health. 3. Potential for irritation. While Vaseline is generally considered safe for external skin application, the genital areas are much more sensitive. Some people might experience irritation or allergic reactions to petroleum jelly. 4. Difficult to clean. Vaseline is not water-soluble, which means it can be challenging to wash off completely after use. Residue can remain in the vaginal or rectal areas, which might lead to discomfort or contribute to other health issues. Choosing the right lubricant for intimate activities is essential for both pleasure and safety. While Vaseline has numerous uses and benefits for skincare, it might not be the best choice for sexual activities due to the risks mentioned above. Always prioritize your safety and health, and when in doubt, opt for products specifically designed for sexual use. Stay informed and stay safe.